Good day everyone. Today we're gonna go briefly over the process of installing some wiring and electrical devices for a one-bedroom flat or apartment such as the one shown here. Now, this can be expanded later by you to any project. Please consult a licensed professional, follow your local building codes. First, we're gonna sketch the floor plan in brief without the internal details. Then we're gonna add windows and doors. We're gonna put some electrical symbols, we're gonna do some wiring, and then we're gonna put a panel, and then we're gonna create a schedule for the electric circuits involved. Let's choose the template. We're gonna go for the ISO template. Okay. So first we're gonna do the floor plan. We're gonna do some basic checks. Check first that the grid is spacings around 10. Make sure that you are at the architecture. Also, you have to make sure that the units are at the ISO, drawing unit millimeters, angles and decimal degrees, scales 1 to 1, scale value is 1 by. What we do plan is to create this one bedroom studio. We're gonna make a basic square of maybe 6 meter by 7 meter total. So you click on the wall. We're gonna start by creating the wall straight away. So when you click, there are some properties that you could show up. Maybe yeah. So the object type is showing as a duct, but you need to choose the architecture part. Go for the wall option, and here you have the choice to choose between multiple styles. This is a very elaborate list with many details. So for example, if you are interested in one type, you could always check the details here. You can check the dimensions, view, some other stuff. Alright, so we're gonna go for the wall, the basic stuff. I'm gonna go for the standard perhaps now. Gonna plot the 7,000 millimeter. Can activate the orthogonal mode as well. 1,000, plotting this to the outside. So just Control Z. I'm not dealing with the elevation, the structural plan at 6,000. Seven thousand. Okay, click enter. We could move thing as well. That's roughly 2.5 meter. Right, so this is our bathroom, this is the kitchen living area. I will also draw the balcony as well. You could choose the slab option here. Uh, but I will go with the basic rectangle element. Yeah, add some doors here. I'm gonna go for standard door, maybe here. Gonna add a door for the bathroom, and may need a sliding door for the balcony. Let's add some windows now.